Welcome you all students for Bridge course of Social. In this session we are going to learn about geography or environment. This is going to be very useful and you know many things about our environment. And we are going to work out exercise number 49. Let's start the topic. What is meant by environment? The surroundings of the nature around us is called as environment, which means the plants, the living and non-living things surround us is called as environment. So environment is divided into two types. One is natural environment, another is human-made environment. From the name itself we can understand natural environment means which is occurred naturally on earth. When the earth got evolved, at the time it started creating is called as natural environment, such as land, water, sky, everything. In this there are two type of environment. One is physical environment, another is biological environment. Let's see what is human made environment, which is created by humans and modified by humans. In this also it is of two type of environments. One is built and another is socio-culture environment. So what is created by human is called as human made environment. Let's see the physical environment. The physical environment is also a natural environment, but the things are non-living things such as land, water. These things are the physical environment. And this is of three types. One is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, which means lithosphere stands for the land, hydrosphere stands for the water and atmosphere stands for the air. So the biological environment is also the thing together. That means the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere and the human life, everything together is called as biosphere. Biosphere is a place where a man, a living organism can live. It's called as biosphere. And this together is called as the ecosystem, which means lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere all together is called as the ecosystem. In this there are different type of ecosystems. So ecosystems are different types. Before that I'll tell what is ecosystem. Ecosystem is an ecological process which means the cycle between the biotic and abiotic components and it is of various levels. We'll see one by one. And the types of environment is two: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem is of forest ecosystem is there, grassland ecosystem is there and tundra ecosystem is there, desert ecosystem is there. From the picture you can easily understand. Forest ecosystem means the forest is there, lion is there and eagle is there, snake is there. So the rat eats plant, rat is eaten by the lion, like that it cycles go off. Okay, that's a food chain. And I have mentioned the grassland picture and the Iceland picture and the desert picture also. Have a glance at it. And next is aquatic ecosystem. It is of two types. One is freshwater ecosystem, another is marine ecosystem. So freshwater ecosystem means ponds, lakes, those things. Marine means the saline water, salty water. The ocean is called as the marine ecosystem. So we'll see the biotic and abiotic components. The biotic means the living things like plants, prokaryotes and animals, bacteria, fungi or the living organisms. Next is abiotic means non-living things such as water, soil, air, minerals, light, those things. So these are the main things our environment is of. Now let's do the exercise. So first one, circle the suitable picture. First one is the human made environment. Among the two pictures, which is the human made environment? Picture number 1. Next is the desert ecosystem. You can easily find the picture. So this is the desert ecosystem. Fourth one, hydrosphere. Already I said hydrosphere means water. So you can easily understand and find the picture. Next is biotic component. Biotic means the living thing. So obviously the line is the living thing. Next we'll go to the second one. Complete the blanks with the suitable picture using the alphabets given below. So you are going to read the question and look at the picture. If the picture suits, you have to write the alphabet of the picture. For example, first one, the answer is D. So D is the freshwater ecosystem, pond. The next one is lithosphere, which means the land, sea. Abiotic component, which means the non-living thing, E. Next is natural environment, which is created naturally. So the answer is A, picture A. Next is tundra ecosystem, which means the Iceland. So the option is B. So you have to write the alphabets in the dash. Is it clear, students? Okay, we'll go to the next one. Next is riddle with me. So this is going to be very interesting session. So first one, I am the hard surface, you can walk on me. What is the answer? Yes, lithosphere. So lithosphere is the land, it's a hard surface. Next one, I feel dry, hot but full of sand. This is also very easy. Yes, I got the answer. It's desert. Next, third one, humans created me for their use. So what we created, what are humans created? Yes, it's fire. Fourth one, I am essential for everyone's life. Yes, obviously the answer is oxygen. Fifth one, I feel cool, filled with cold surface. The answer is snow. We'll go to the next one. Read the rebus story. You're going to read the story and get a practice of reading. Okay, students, hope you all read the story. We'll go to the next thing. Fifth one. After finding the word listed below, the letter left over will spell a hidden message and start from the top row left to right. The words are given in the box. You are going to find the words in the puzzle and you are going to make a sentence from that. Any guesses? Read the words boxes, cans, bottles, brown, cardboard, flowers, glass, clean, garbage, compost, grass, lights, nature, lake, dirt, green, metal, plastic, litter, earth, plants, paper, reuse, pollute, plant, spring, recycle, save, trash, planet, soil, tree, reduce, water, waste, worms. These are the words as given as question. You are going to find these words in the below puzzle. Is it clear? You are going to mark as a circle or else you are going to draw a box. So let's see the answer. Yes, I have marked the answer. See here, all the words are here. Very useful words, everything. See here, the grass, all the words I have marked for you. So I hope you too will find those things. Now we will see the hidden message. The hidden message is protect our earth. We'll go to the next exercise. Complete the crossword puzzle using the clues given in the picture. So crossword is given. Nearby that picture is also given. You're going to find the answers. Okay. I'll show the answers. Yes. From the 1 and to the 7 we have found the answers. So love, earth, nature, recycle, save, sun, plants, animals. So these are the crossword puzzles and we are going to see the answers for the fill in the blanks also. Across you are going to write the planets. Fourth one is planets and fifth one is earth and sixth one is recycle, seventh one is save and also seventh one is sun and third one is nature, second one is animals and first one is love. So I hope you all enjoyed the exercise and you did in a correct manner. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.